Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to make some extra cash with crypto in 2024? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share 5 easy ways you can start making money with cryptocurrency even if you're a beginner. No complicated steps, no expensive setups, just practical and straightforward ways to earn with crypto. So let's dive in. First on our list is staking. You may have heard of it already, but staking is one of the easiest ways to make money with crypto. Here's how it works. Think of staking as putting your money in a savings account, but instead of dollars, you're staking crypto coins. When you stake, you're helping support the network, and in return, you get rewarded with more crypto. And the best part, staking rewards can be as high as 10% or even more annually, depending on the coin. Next, we have yield farming. This might sound complex, but it's actually pretty simple. Yield farming is like earning interest on your savings. You lend your crypto assets to platforms that need liquidity, and in return, they pay you a fee. Just like with staking, you can earn a passive income by simply letting your crypto work for you. Now, let's talk about crypto lending. With lending, you lend your crypto to other people, and they pay you interest in return. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and BlockFi allow you to lend safely. You'll often see interest rates around 5 to 12% depending on the asset. Just remember, it's a good idea to use trusted platforms to keep your investments safe. Alright, on to number 4, using trading bots. Trading bots are software programs that can buy and sell crypto for you automatically. You set the rules and the bot does the work. Even if you're sleeping or busy, the bot is constantly trading for you. Just be cautious when choosing bots and make sure to research to find a reliable one. You can set up bots on platforms like Pionix or KuCoin to start. And finally, let's have some fun with play to earn games and NFTs. In these games, you can earn tokens or rewards just by playing. Some of the biggest ones even allow you to earn real money. Games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox reward you with crypto for your time and skills. If you enjoy gaming, this is a super fun way to earn. So, there you have it, 5 easy ways to make money with crypto in 2024. You don't need to be a crypto expert to start earning. Just pick a method that works for you and remember to always invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on earning with crypto. Thanks for watching and good luck on your crypto journey.